Okay, we are going to configure the very brief setting the phone fields for contacts and leads. And what this will do is allow which fields will be exposed for contact or lead, and we'll move them to the available list. Just to recap for those who may now be joining for this, we're going to do this from the Webex admin portal. We simply did a search for Webex admin, and it brings us here. Scroll down to the Webex phone fields. We're going to select Mobile, Other, and Assistant. And you have to have at least one in here. So for example, I cannot remove that. I'll get at least one must be there. So these are the defaults. So I have phone. And for my leads, I'm also going to do a mobile. And then I'm also going to select assistant phone for my contact. And I'm also going to do an other. And then save.